Birds have captured the human imagination for centuries, inspiring art, literature, and even music. Their beauty and grace in flight, the songs they sing, and the complex social structures they form have all contributed to their allure. Their wings are marvels of evolution, perfectly designed to provide lift and maneuverability in the air. But birds are more than just a source of inspiration. They play a vital role in our ecosystems, pollinating plants, controlling insects' population, and distributing seeds. They are also indicators of the health of our planet. Unfortunately, many species of birds are facing threat from human activities, including habitat destruction, hunting, and climate change. It is important that we take action to protect these feathered wonders and ensure that they continue to inspire and fascinate us for the generations to come.